Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make BIR style Boona from scratch. Before I start, please take a second to like the video. Thank you. To make Boona from scratch, you will need 3 tablespoons of oil, half a sliced green pepper, half a sliced medium brown or white onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 3/4 of a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of mixed powder or curry powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste mixed with 2 tablespoons of water, 250 milliliters of boiling water, half a tomato cut into 4 wedges, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu, a pinch of garam masala powder, 1 sliced red finger chili and some fresh chopped coriander for decoration. Heat the oil. Once hot and smoking, add the onions and pepper and cook on high for around 5 minutes until they start to catch. Stir occasionally so they do not stick and burn. Add the garlic and ginger paste and fry for a minute to release the flavours. Add the coriander, cumin, turmeric mix and chili powders along with the sugar, salt and tomato puree. Stir in well to fry the spices for a minute or 2. Add half of the hot water, mix through and allow to fry for a minute. Add the meat, veg, paneer or tofu, stir through, then fry for a further minute. Add the rest of the hot water, stir through and continue to fry for a further couple of minutes, only stirring if the sauce looks like it's about to burn. Sprinkle on the garam masala and half of the fresh coriander. Stir through and cook. Boona is traditionally a thick sauce, but you can reduce yours as much as you like. It will still taste great. Top with the remaining coriander and sliced red chilies. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.